Hello बच्चों, let's read the question. So the question says two sources S1 and S2 of intensity I1 and I2 are placed in front of a screen, figure A. So we can see in figure A that two sources S1 and S2 are placed in front of screen. The pattern of intensity distribution seen in the central portion is given by figure B. So we can see in figure B that we are given with an intensity distribution. In this case, which of the following statements are true? So this is a multiple choice type question where multiple options can be correct. So we have to check each of the options one by one. Now let's revise the key concept behind this question first. So what is the key concept behind this question? The first key concept is that intensity in minimum case, in the case of destructive interference, is given by I1 plus I2 minus 2 root of I1 into I2. So this is intensity minimum. And the second key concept behind this question is that when the intensities of two sources are equal, let's say I1 or say I naught is equal to I naught dash, then the two sources are coherent. With what does coherent means? It means that they must have constant phase difference, same wavelength, and same frequency. Okay, now we have everything prerequisite for our solution. Now let's check our solution part. So in solution part, when we check the figure B correctly, we can see that the intensity at minimum point becomes zero at certain points, and hence we can say that intensity minimum is zero. So we can say that intensity minimum is zero. From here we can say that I1 plus I2 plus 2 square root of I1, sorry, it is not plus, it is minus. It is minus 2 square root of I1 into I2. It is equal to 0. From here we can see that I1 plus I2 is equal to 2 root of I1 into I2. Squaring both sides, what do we get? We get I1 square plus I2 square plus 2I1 into I2 minus 4I1 into I2 is equal to 0. From here we can see that I1 square plus I2 square plus not, it is minus. Solving this we get minus 2I1 into I2 is equal to 0. From here we can say that I1 minus I2 whole square is equal to 0. From here we can say that I1 is equal to I2. Thus we can, whenever I intensity minimum is 0, we can say that I1 will be equal to I2, and hence option A says that S1 and S2 have same intensity. Yes, they have same intensity. And as we said in our key concept, that whenever two intensities are same, the two sources are coherent, which means that they have constant phase difference. And hence option B, which says S1 and S2 have constant phase difference, is also correct. Option C, which says S1 and S2 have same phase difference. They can have same phase difference or they cannot, but we can only be sure about the constant phase difference, and we cannot say about their phase, and hence option C is wrong. Option D, which says S1 and S2 have same wavelength, we can see that here that same wavelength for coherent sources, and hence option D is also correct. So let's highlight the options here. Option A, option B, and option D are the correct options to this solution. I hope you understood it well. Thank you.